Hi, welcome to my video on log function, domain, range, asymptote, and base. This is part 1, and in this video I'm going to review the exponential function, because the exponential function is very important to know, because the log is the inverse of the exponential. Review of the exponential function. F of x equals b to the x, and that's the same as saying y equals b to the x. F of x is a y. And in the exponential function, your domain is the x's, so your domain is all real numbers in terms of dx. The range is the y values, and the y value is the set of all y such that y is greater than 0. And we have an asymptote, and the asymptote is y equals 0. Asymptote is the line that the graph tends toward but don't touch. And the asymptote is a horizontal line. The asymptote is a horizontal line. And the base, very important, the base is greater than 0, and the base is not 1. So the base is greater than 0, not 1. That means the base could be between 0 and 1, or the base could be greater than 1. And if it's greater than 1 is a growth curve, if it's between 0 and 1 is a decay curve. And let's do an example of that would be f of x equals 2 to the x, y equals 2 to the x. So the table of values is of x and y. So x is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. We put a negative 2. 2 to the negative 2 is 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4. X is negative 1. 2 to the negative 1 is 1 over 2. 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the 1 is 2. And squared, 2 squared is 4. So when x is negative 2, y is 1/4. We just put a dot there. When x is negative 1, y is a half. Come up in the middle. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 2. And when x is 2, y is 4. So we can see that there's the curve. And notice there's a growth curve. As x goes to infinity, y goes to infinity. It's getting larger and larger. And it comes down, down, down. It gets closer, but it don't touch. So you can see that all the values of x can go in the equation. So the domain is reals. The range is y is greater than 0. Y is never below 0. The asymptote is right here. It goes along that y is equal to 0. And again, the base is 2, so it's a growth curve. That's just a review of the exponential function, because it's very important to know this info when we deal with the logs. Remember, a log is an inverse of an exponential, so all this information is very, very, very important to use it when we do logs. And that brings us to the end of the video. And again, if you like the video, you can click your like button and the subscribe button. And I forgot to mention that there's a whole series of videos on the exponential function done earlier. And visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content that's on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. And don't forget to review the exponential information. Bye-bye.